We're working on a volcano project, and we need baking powder and spoon and vinegar.
What happens when you mix them together?
It makes it makes it to explode.
Yep. And let's walk over to the volcano.
Okay.
Let's show them the volcano.
A volcano that I made.
Yep. All right. Grab some baking powder. Bring the whole stuff over here.
Baking powder.
Mm-hmm.
Vinegar. Vinegar going right here. There we go.
All right.
Now I need to put the lid off somehow.
You got the lid?
Okay, there you go. There we go.
You know what I'll do? I'll cup my hand like this so you can pour it into there. Haley, come
I'm
on.
putting the cup over there. That much?
More than that, you have to get the whole spoon, but you can do that a little bit. Yep. Grab another. Don't worry about it. That's why my hand's there. Another little bit. And just one for good luck. Alright, now put your baking powder away so it's not over here by the vinegar because we don't want the whole thing going off. Alright, Midgie, come on.
Okay, vinegar.
Vinegar.
I don't really know how to pour it.
Oh, just try your best. You're showing other kids how to be careful anyways. Get closer, yep. On, in it. There you go. It's flowing.
It's exploding. What's happening? Do you think we need to add more? Because that wasn't very likely.
That's it. Let's see if I shake it up, maybe.
Do you want to get some more in there?
Powder?
Yeah, and stuff.
Sure. We're going to try and give it some more powder, guys.
And see if it does more. I'm going to put extra. We're going to put extra.
Extra?
Yeah.
Okay, stop. Oh, look at that.
Look at that.
Oh, it's puffing. Don't put any more because it won't probably bubble anymore.
Do you want to put some more vinegar? Like vinegar?
I don't know. It looks like it's kind of capped over with all that powder.
Shake it up, shake it up.
Yep. Just try to put a little dab of it in there.
It's vinegar?
Yeah.
Try. A little bit. Oh, there it goes, it's going. Come on, you want more explosions.
More reaction, you meant. Okay, stop.
Okay, there you go. It's slowing down.
There you go, guys. All right, Haley, say goodbye.
No,
One more. Come on, say goodbye to everybody.
come on.
Stop. That's all of it. We're going to need some of that. All right, say goodbye to everybody.